4 years ago, Cody Saver and I, my business partner, decided that we were going to start a full-service production studio.
We are a one-stop shop, and we end up with a lot of creative control because of that. It makes for really smooth productions, and it really means that we can fly through productions very quickly.
We're known for mostly CG trailers and cinematics and motion graphics.
We worked on Prototype 2.
And Deus Ex Human Revolutions, so a lot of full CG work.
We worked on the first prototype game with Radical. Now that Radical came out with Prototype 2, we were eager to work with them again. It was just a great creative partnership. They came to us with a very tight timeline on a high-res CG trailer, and so we did the same thing that we always do as a creative agency / production studio. We looked at the creative and looked at how much time we had and kind of tailored something to create an exceptional looking piece that was also going to be able to be completed in time.
The entertainment creation suite from Autodesk was really excellent. We'd be able to move really easily from motion capture through to motion builder, Mudbox, right to Maya. For the previs, we started off with motion capture. That went right through the pipe to motion builder.
Motion builder is great for taking a whole bunch of mocap and doing a first level of editorial and assembly.
We can get the mocap, bring it into Motion Builder, drop in our cameras, and try as many different angles as we can. The director often will sit right with the previous artists and work on different stuff and until they get something that they're really happy with. Then we can move that into edit really quickly.
It helps the director see lights, see shadows, and whenever the previs can look better, it always helps everything go smoother. After that, it was really nice going from Motion Builder all the way to animation inside of Maya.
Motion Builder to Maya has been really helpful because I can get the animation and know that it's what the animators intended. The new Maya linear workflow allows you to control multiple color channels from the render globals.
We just stay in a linear color space from Maya all the way to the composites, which means there's no color space switching or changing. And directors, artists can all view the rendered images at the same color space. It helped our 3D artists work much faster and let the compositors really worry about the finessing and the photoreal looks that we were bringing to it.
Maya's had a lot of modeling advances that have really streamlined my workflow. The new split polygon tool, where you have the ability to put vertices in the middle of faces, helps immensely. And the UV texture editor, with its ability to show smooth proxy geometry normals and output those as UV maps, is really nice for texture painting.
With the modelers in the lighting texturing process, they really enjoy Mudbox because they can paint high-res detail. They can really get scratches and scuffs and some really beautiful stuff out of Mudbox, and then right from Mudbox into our modeling and shading texturing pipeline.
Mudbox is really efficient in outputting texture maps such as the AO map. It's a lot more efficient than other programs that we have available. And Mudbox's workflow is really nice because I can put in a mesh that doesn't have to be perfectly clean and output really nice maps quickly.
As we've grown from this really small boutique to a bigger company, all the artists that are in senior positions now have really worked to automate and to put a lot into making the small company run as efficiently as possible. It's really getting to the point where it feels like we've got a lot of the tools of a much bigger company, but it's just because we've focused on efficiency, being a small company full of hungry individuals that just want to put out the best work that we can.
The goal is just to always make great work and to always have a lot of passion with what we're doing. We've just been able to build something special that other studios, I think, in the future will try to do more of.